Sometimes your professor may ask you to find an article from a specific journal, or you may want to start following the journals in your discipline. The Minds Library has a tool called Browsine, which can help you find and follow journals from our subscriptions. To get started using Browsine, click on the eJournals tab on the library's homepage. Using this box, you can search by journal name, such as Economist, or by topic, such as Hydro. Today, I'm going to search for Hydro. Just click search. Now you've probably noticed that there are little icons next to the search results. Let's discuss what they mean. First, the red filing cabinet drawer is for subjects. It will show you every journal that Minds owns in that particular subject. We can see here that there are several journals in hydrogeology and hydrology in the Minds collection. Second, journal. The little blue book icon lets you know that we own a particular journal by that name, such as the Hydrogeology Journal. Finally, not in Browsine. Sometimes you will see the little gray book with an arrow. This means that the journal is not available through Browsine, but don't worry. Clicking on these items will take you to the Minds Library catalog to search for the journal. When you find a journal that you are interested in reading or following, you can add it to your bookshelf. This will save the journal for later. Using this feature, you will also be alerted when new issues are available for you to read. Finding and using journals can be tricky. Journals are only one of the many research tools out there. Be sure to look through our research LibGuides or talk to a librarian to learn more tips on navigating the library's resources.